Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I'm adapting my Vanagon stove to run off of the little propane bottles and not the tank underneath. I like the idea of the tank underneath, so I'm not really getting rid of it just because of safety. It's just older and I need to save up my money to buy the newer, nicer one from, one of the retailers out there that has them. But in the meantime, I would like to use my stove, and so that's going to show you how I did it. This is what I bought to be the adapter. As you can see, it says it's a 20-inch propane hose and regulator, which that's what you need. You need a regulator. You don't just need a piece that is adapter. It says Universal Fishing brands. I got this, I believe, at Home Depot, and I bought it quite a while ago. But in theory, this is going to be awesome, and it's going to work. So this piece here, of course, screws on that little piece coming down. And then this piece, if you notice, it's larger. So this is actually made to fit the 20-pound bottles, which is why I also bought this piece. I got this one online, though. I bought this off of, I think, eBay or Amazon. If I find the description, it says disposable. So that's supposed to say bottle, but that does not. It says quality brass, type 1, made in China. So that's a shocker, but I got this online. And so these two pieces together are going to get it working. Alright, so this is the inside of my junky van. And this, of course, is where the stove lives. It's under here. Well, the connection is right about here, where the pipe runs up all the way from the bottom of the van all the way up. And it's actually got a connector right behind here, about midway to the back, and then it hooks behind it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew that connector. To get to it, the easiest way for me is I go through here, okay? But when you go to pull this drawer out, it catches. Well, it catches because it's got these little, let's see if you can see them. See these little pieces here? It's a little piece of plastic. All you do, if you can focus, you just got to push it down, because see, it's catching on that lip. So I'm going to do that. So pull the drawer out here. These little plastic pieces I was trying to show you, just push them down with your fingers and it gets them from catching that, and you pull all the way out. So you can see right here in the back corner there is that connection, and basically you need to loosen it. I did with a crescent wrench, and then I could use my fingers to unscrew it the rest of the way. And once it does that, well, you can disconnect it, and you can pull that hose, pull the line a little bit out of the way, and that'll be good to go, getting ready to hook up something else. Alright, you can see that now. That's the connector coming up from the bottom of the van, and this actually is connected here. And basically I just got it started with a crescent wrench, and once I discovered which way was to loosen it, because it's kind of hard, because it's going up and down and you're going horizontal. So I got that out of there, and that little nipple right there coming down, this piece here, that's what we're going to screw into. And with that, I can just leave this out of the way, okay? I'm not going to cut this. I cut the one for the fridge out because I'm not going to replace it. That's going to get us fixed out. So let me get everything set up. Okay, and so now I've bent this out of the way because I'm not going to use this anymore, so we'll bend it a little bit more, and of course it's cut off at the tank. Alright, so this piece here, I'm going to screw on to here. Make sure it gets on there. And it is not wanting to seat for some reason. And this is not pleasant. Did we get it? Oh, we got it. The seat in there. So now I'm going to screw this in, and then tighten this up by getting a wrench here and a wrench here, and we'll be good to go. And so now here, it's going to go to that. Alright, so here we go. Got the stove working. I was checking for leaks, spraying that with soapy water. And it's running off of this guy right here. Quite stoked. Yeah.